Chapter 10, Volume and Capacity. Basically, when we are speaking about volume and capacity, we are speaking about measurements such as liters and milliliters. Okay, I'm sure some of you have heard of those. I'm sure all of you have heard of liters and milliliters. If you haven't, that is the type of measurement that we use when we measure liquids. Okay, so now we're going to introduce volume and capacity. On this first page, what you can see is just a recap of our previous chapter, which was mass. We worked with kilograms and grams. Now we're working with volume and capacity, where we work with liters and milliliters. I will teach you that a little bit later. I first want to introduce to you what volume and what capacity is. So volume, when we speak of volume, we always refer to liquid. Okay, so volume and liquid go together. When we speak of capacity, we are speaking about the container that is holding the liquid. Capacity, container. Okay, so the volume is the water inside, and capacity is the container that holds the liquid. Got it? Let's read. The volume of a liquid is the amount of space it takes up. So when we speak of volume, we speak about how much space does this water take up in this cup. I can't turn it over for you to see. Let me show you. How much space does that liquid take up? Okay? And when we speak of capacity, we speak of the amount of space this container can hold when it is full. Okay? Let's read it again. Volume of a liquid is the amount of space it takes up, and the capacity of a container is the amount it can hold when it is full. Do you understand that? I hope so. Okay, I'm going to keep that just over here so that I can remind you about it just now. So let's look at the examples, and I hope you can understand. So, understanding volume. We have 4 glasses shown over here. Glass A is this one, glass B is this one, and glass C is over here. All right. These glasses are empty. Now we pour water into these glasses. Look at glass A, glass B, and glass C. There is a little line over here which shows 4 centimeters. That's how full it is. If you look at the side, it will be 4 centimeters up. So glass A and glass B contain the same amount of liquid. Look at glass A and glass B. They are both just on the line. They have the same amount of liquid. Therefore, they have the same volume of liquid. Okay, so they have the same amount of volume. The amount of water in this glass and the amount of water in this glass takes up the same amount of space. The liquid takes up the same amount of space. Now glass C, as you can see, it is below that line. Glass C contains less liquid than glass A and glass B. The volume of liquid in glass C is less than the volume of liquid in glass A and B. And we know that because we can see the amount of water in glass C takes up less space than glass A and glass B. Therefore, the volume is less than those 2 glasses. Just a reminder, the volume of a liquid is the amount of space it takes up. Okay. Let's have another look. It says, pour all the liquid from glass A, here's glass A, into a container. There it goes. And then it says, pour all the liquid from glass B, here's glass B, into a container. Now we know that glass A and glass B had the same amount of liquid. The volume of liquid in each glass A and glass B were the same. Don't forget that. Now the question asks, which contains a greater volume of liquid? This container or this container? Now you may think that this liquid looks less than this liquid, but we know that the volume was the same. These container sizes were just different. Okay, let's pour the liquid back into the glasses. So we pour it from container to the glass, from container to the glass, and you can see, what do you notice? The volume in liquid, container D and container E is the same. Comparing volumes. There is some strawberry milk in each of these bottles. Bottle A, bottle B, and bottle C. All the milk in each bottle is poured into identical glasses. So they're all poured into glasses, the same size, the same shape glasses, as you can see. So we want to compare the volume of water in each of these containers. So let's look, container A. All the milk in each bottle is poured into identical glasses. Bottle A contains 3 glasses of milk. Okay? Bottle B contains 4 glasses of milk. And bottle C contains 2 glasses of milk. Now we can answer the questions. The volume of milk in bottle A is less than the volume of milk in bottle B. Is that true? Yes, because bottle A only contains 3 glasses, whereas bottle B contains 4 glasses. Okay, look at us, we're comparing volumes. The volume of the milk in bottle A is less or more than the volume of milk in bottle C. So now we're comparing the volume of A and C. Those two. Container A had 3 glasses. Container C had 4 glasses. So which container had more volume? Container A. It had 1 glass more than container C. So the volume of milk in container A was more than the volume of milk in container C. Bottle B contains the greatest volume of milk. Contains the greatest volume of milk, the most milk. The bottle contains the smallest volume of milk. And which one is that? Which one contains the smallest volume? C, because it only has 2 glasses. Okay, let's do. All the juice in jug A is poured into identical glasses. We're doing the same exercise, just with different examples. Jug A, B, and C. Remember, these are the containers. The orange liquid is the volume. So, jug A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses of juice. Jug B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 glasses of juice. Container C contains 1, 2, 3, 3.5 glasses of juice. So this is where we ask questions. Which jug contains more juice than jug A? So we need to count the glasses. Jug contains less juice than jug A. Look at jug A. Which one has less? Jug contains the smallest volume of juice. Which one's that? And jug contains the greatest volume of juice, the most volume of juice. Okay. Before I finish up, I want to just remind you, volume of a liquid is the amount of space it takes up. The volume. Volume and liquid, those two go together. Capacity and container. The capacity of a container is the amount it can hold when full. So far we have only covered the volume of juice or water or milk inside a container. In the next lesson we will continue with liters and comparing the liters. Alright, we will now move on to chapter 10, the practice book. It's on page 4951. I will scan them and I will send them through to you on Edmodo.